Hey guys, Chris from Smile here. So another one that I'm getting asked all the time is leaks from the water heater. And this is a common one that you will encounter at some point in your life. So the most common spot that you are going to find a leak from the water heater is when it drips out of this relief valve tube, and you'll typically find a little puddle on the ground just right in front of the tube. So this relief valve is going to release pressure for one of two reasons. Either there's too much temperature in the tank or there's too much pressure in the system. Now, if it is a pressure issue, this is something you're usually going to need a plumber to come in and do a pressure test, and maybe you need a pressure reducing system. It's a whole other side of things, but for us as the HVAC side, overheating is the most common reason that this valve is going to release. And typically where this happens is your control has a little thermometer that goes in here, and basically it's going to be sitting there and all that mess of calcium and iron and other minerals that are sitting at the bottom of your tank. It's not going to be able to read the temperature properly. It's going to fire too much as this, and then for this reason, this valve will release some water. You'll know your tank is overheating if you're to just come and simply touch this for a second. It gets pretty hot, and then that's a good indication right there to know my tank's overheating. I'm going to need a new control valve, I'm going to need a new relief valve, and I'm going to need to get the system drained so I can get all the sediment out. So that is the most common issue with leaking with the water heater. Now, if you ever come to your water heater and there is a whole bunch of water everywhere all around it, that's a good indication that it is leaking straight out the bottom. There is no way to fix a leaking water heater. When the metal breaks, it's broken. This unit would at that point be getting replaced. So if you ever do come down and you see the water heater's flooding, shut the water off. That tank's done. It's gonna end up getting replaced, and call us right away so we can come out there and get your